Hi friends, in this session I demonstrate how to apply a background image using Tailwind CSS. So we begins with by placing an image into EMG folder. So I have lots of images. I can use one of them. Okay. So let's create a div. I come here, I create a div. So I use a class to assign a background image. A div element is created and the class attribute is populating Tailwind CSS like this. I say bg and then I come here, I open my square bracket and then I say URL. I need to give the URL. So URL, after this I need to give the path. So my path is start from emg and then for example I use angular.jpg. Okay, so I come here, I say angular.jpg. Okay, so if I do that, I save it, let's check it. I refresh, nothing appears because I haven't defined any height and width. I come here, is there a problem or not? I haven't any problem. I come to the console, I have any errors. So if I come here and then I say, for example, height 1000 pixels. If I do that, nothing appears. I give width value with 1000 pixels. Yes, as you see, when I define width and height, it appears. Alright. So we can use size class. Size class, I come here, I say size 96, for example. It gives 384 pixels width and height. Okay. If I do that, let's refresh it. I refresh my page. Okay. It appears on the screen like that. So let's come background size cover or not. So I can use bg cover. You see, it gives background size cover. When I do that, it becomes like that. Super. The difference between background size and cover and contain. If I use contain, it fits into this div. It fits whole image within the container without cropping. It might leave empty spaces. You see, second image comes here. So generally, I prefer cover and I need to use background position too. I need to focus to the center. So that's why I come here and I say bg center. It gives background position center. I come here, you see, it focus on the center. If I do right bottom, center left, you see right, you see top, you see initial another thing, I can focus any place on the image. But generally I prefer center. Okay. In summary, we can load a background image using Tailwind CSS and its size using Tailwind CSS using Tailwind utility classes and control its focal point with positioning utilities. This is essential for customizing visual aesthetics responsively and professionally. See you in the next lesson.